Everything is great. I grabbed some food, some junk food actually. I should not eat this. But yeah, the sun's going down. I will not show you guys how to go inside because yeah, I know for privacy. But yeah, let me show you guys my new office. Which one you guys think I choose? I'm here. Welcome to my office. Okay, so okay guys, let me do a proper tour. I look like a mess. I'm so tired. Right now there's literally nothing in my office, guys. I still need to work. Do some editing today. People call me a lot today and respond to everybody because it's intense. Let me do a tour, a quick tour, so you're not gonna really see my face. But welcome to my office. Yes, it's got work. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, guys, so my office is here. It's my office. I'm gonna put probably like my logo soon. I take the key, there's nothing, okay, yet. So this is where I'm gonna put my office. Before I wanted to do my podcast here. So let me show you guys well. So you see it's kind of, yeah, Thursday I have to clean. I just put 2 chairs already because last time I came do with the chair. Because first of all, what I wanted to do here, it's the podcast, a live podcast, but they give me so much opportunity. Yeah, put my food here. So this is the door. So this is completely the whole office I have, but these people are just amazing here. Where I work, they did me a lot of opportunity. Like, okay, let's make the tour, okay? Yeah, I think I take the whole everywhere. I'm just gonna get a water, guys, because I'm gonna eat. So yeah, guys, this is the office. I hope you guys like it. It was I'm so excited, guys, to start so many stuff here. But I just wanted to say thank you, God, for everything, because without God, this is not gonna happen. But get prepared because we're gonna do a lot of, we're gonna utilize this place. I have like I think 6 months here. I don't know, probably I'm gonna get a little bit longer, like a year. But for now, we're 6-7 months in this place, and then we're gonna utilize. And then why I did this is it was a dream since I was young. My biggest dream actually is to own one. So one day I'll own one. I see one day I'm gonna rent, so renting, but soon it's gonna be owned, okay? But for now, this is amazing. And why I actually did this because like being long time, I always like do a lot of activities. I always do like a lot of shows. I do a lot of like events. And I do a lot of like talk show, and I'm always renting per hour. And I spend like $1,000. So I was just like, what? It's not worth it. And I always have to go with everybody time. The time they tell me, sometimes it's not even available. So it's just getting crazy. But this place just, I can come here 24/7, and I pay monthly, and I just do whatever I have to do, So this is the thing. I'm excited to you guys to see so much stuff gonna happen here, and stay tuned. See you guys in the next episode.